Hi, good morning. I'm Charles. I hope you had a good start for today. It's Saturday, the weekend, so I'm sure yung iba kakagising lang. Ako naman is katatapos lang ng shift ko, and of course it's a new day. So every gising is a blessing. So kailangan natin magpasalamat. And syempre, ang ating topic for this week is celebrate wins, and marami tayong diniscuss. Una dun yung attitude of gratitude. Yung second natin na diniscuss is yung um, acknowledge your achievement. Then meron din tayo yung pangatlong araw natin, which is celebrate your successes as much as your or parang ano yun, basta about dun sa failure. So parang you're also celebrating failure as much as your successes, kasi parang you're getting something pa rin naman kahit na fail, kasi meron pa rin progress. And then yung hapon, which is success. So overall, this is all about acknowledging kung saan ka na, di ba? There's progress, something that grateful. Life is not perfect naman talaga, diba? We've been through a lot of challenges every day na tinetest tayo kung hanggang saan yung kaya natin. Pero I'm sure these are all gifts from God na yung tinetest tayo, diba? Kung hanggang saan tayo, diba? Hindi naman tayo bibigyan ng mga pagsubok kapag alam niyang hindi natin kaya. Ang mahalaga is that kahit ano pa man to, 'di ba? Something good or something hindi masyado, grateful pa rin tayo, kasi I'm sure naman may patutunguhan lahat ng to. May reason kung bakit, 'di ba? Nangyari ang lahat. So, the most important thing is maging grateful lagi sa lahat. And syempre magpasalamat, mag-pray. So, I guess yun lang naman for today. So, celebrate today with your family and magpahinga, recharge para for next week kahit na naman tayo, right? So ayun lang, anyong, ingat sa'yo, God bless mo.